The wisdom that comes with age is a powerful tool, especially when it comes to social interactions. Older men often possess a unique ability to captivate and connect with women, and much of this stems from their refined social skills. These skills are not based on manipulation or superficial tactics, but are grounded in emotional intelligence, authenticity, and respect. In this script, we'll explore how these traits manifest in specific behaviors and attitudes that can make older men incredibly magnetic. First skill: mastering the art of listening. One of the most underrated social skills is the ability to listen attentively. Older men often excel in this area, having learned over time that genuine listening creates meaningful connections. They don't just hear words, they focus on understanding the emotions and intentions behind them. This makes women feel valued and understood, which is a rare and powerful experience. Active listening involves maintaining eye contact, nodding in agreement, and asking thoughtful follow-up questions. It also requires patience, letting the other person express themselves without interruptions or premature conclusions. This creates a space where women feel safe to share their thoughts and emotions. Moreover, active listening demonstrates a lack of self-centeredness. Older men who master this skill show that they prioritize understanding others over dominating the conversation. This makes their interactions feel balanced and genuine, qualities that women deeply appreciate. Second skill: displaying emotional stability. Emotional stability is a hallmark of maturity and a key trait that draws people in. Older men often possess this quality, having navigated life's ups and downs. Their calm demeanor during challenging situations is reassuring and inspires trust. This stability manifests in various ways. For example, they handle disagreements gracefully, avoiding emotional outbursts or defensive reactions. They approach conflicts with logic and empathy, focusing on resolution rather than winning. Women find this level-headedness attractive because it creates a sense of security and reliability. Emotional stability also extends to how they manage their own feelings. Instead of suppressing emotions, they acknowledge and process them in a healthy way. This openness creates an environment where women feel comfortable expressing themselves without fear of judgment. Third skill: showing genuine confidence. Confidence is universally appealing, but the confidence of older men is often different from the bravado seen in younger individuals. It's not about showing off or seeking validation, but comes from a deep sense of self-worth and acceptance. This confidence allows them to approach social interactions without fear or hesitation. They're comfortable in their own skin, which makes them approachable and attractive. Women are naturally drawn to this kind of energy because it signals strength and independence. Furthermore, genuine confidence fosters authenticity. Older men who are self-assured don't feel the need to pretend to be someone they're not. They're honest about their interests, values, and boundaries, creating an environment of trust and respect. Fourth skill: practicing patience and understanding. Life experience teaches patience, a trait that is immensely valuable in social interactions. Older men often approach relationships with a long-term perspective, understanding that building connections takes time and effort. They're willing to invest in getting to know someone without rushing or pressuring the process. This patience extends to understanding differences. They've learned that everyone has their own perspectives, experiences, and ways of communicating. Instead of dismissing or judging these differences, they seek to understand and appreciate them. This open-mindedness makes them adaptable and easy to connect with. Women appreciate this patience because it creates a sense of ease and comfort. It shows that they're not just being tolerated, but genuinely valued for who they are. Fifth skill: mastering nonverbal communication. Communication is about more than words. Older men often excel at non-verbal cues, using their body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice to convey their feelings and intentions. These subtle signals can make a significant impact in social interactions. For example, maintaining an open posture shows approachability, while a warm smile conveys kindness and interest. The ability to match their tone and expressions to the context of the conversation also demonstrates emotional intelligence. These non-verbal skills enhance their ability to connect on a deeper level. Women often pick up on these cues instinctively. When an older man's non-verbal communication aligns with his words, it creates a sense of authenticity and sincerity. This makes their interactions feel natural and genuine. Sixth skill, demonstrating generosity of spirit. Generosity isn't just about material gifts. It's also about being giving with one's time, attention, and kindness. Older men often exhibit this generosity, understanding that true wealth lies in the connections they build with others. This might involve small acts of kindness, such as offering a helping hand or remembering important details about someone's life. It also includes being emotionally supportive, offering encouragement, and celebrating others' successes. Generosity of spirit shows that they're not focused solely on their own needs, but genuinely care about the well-being of others. This selflessness is deeply attractive and creates a strong emotional bond. Seventh skill, maintaining a positive outlook. Life experience often brings perspective, allowing older men to focus on the positives rather than dwelling on negativity. Their optimistic outlook can be incredibly magnetic, creating an uplifting energy that draws people in. This doesn't mean ignoring challenges or pretending everything is perfect. Instead, it's about finding the silver lining and maintaining hope in difficult situations. This resilience inspires those around them, including women who appreciate their ability to navigate life's challenges with grace and positivity. An optimistic attitude also makes social interactions more enjoyable. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel good, and a positive outlook creates a welcoming and uplifting environment. Eighth skill, balancing independence and connection. Older men often strike a balance between independence and connection. They value their own time and space, but also understand the importance of building strong relationships. This balance makes them intriguing and attractive. They pursue their own interests and passions, demonstrating that their identity isn't solely defined by their relationships. At the same time, they invest effort in nurturing connections, showing that they value the people in their lives. Women appreciate this balance because it reflects a healthy approach to relationships. It shows that they're not clingy or overly dependent, but still prioritize meaningful connections. Ninth skill, being a source of wisdom and guidance. With age comes wisdom, and older men often use their life experiences to offer guidance and support. They're able to share valuable insights, provide practical advice, and offer a fresh perspective on challenges. This mentorship role can be incredibly appealing. It shows that they're not just focused on their own success, but are willing to help others grow and thrive. This generosity of knowledge creates a sense of trust and respect, strengthening their connections. Women value this wisdom because it reflects maturity and emotional depth. It shows that they're capable of handling life's complexities and are willing to share their journey with others. 10th skill, respecting boundaries. Respect is a cornerstone of healthy relationships, and older men often excel in respecting others' boundaries. They understand the importance of consent, personal space, and individuality, and they prioritize these values in their interactions. This respect is evident in their communication style. They ask for input, listen to feedback, and honor others' choices without trying to impose their own views. This creates a sense of equality and mutual respect, which is essential for building trust. Women appreciate this respect because it shows that they're valued as individuals, not just as part of a relationship. It creates a foundation of trust and ensures that interactions feel safe and empowering. 11th skill: cultivating a sense of humor. Humor is a universal language, and older men often use it to create a sense of connection and joy. Their humor is often refined and thoughtful, avoiding sarcasm or negativity. Instead, it's about finding shared moments of laughter and lightness. This ability to bring joy into interactions is incredibly appealing. It shows that they don't take themselves too seriously and are able to find happiness in the moment. Humor also helps to diffuse tension and create a relaxed atmosphere, making social interactions more enjoyable. Women appreciate this sense of humor because it adds an element of fun and spontaneity to their relationships. It shows that they're not just serious or focused on obligations, but are also capable of enjoying life's lighter moments. Conclusion: the social skills that older men use to connect with women are rooted in emotional intelligence, respect, and authenticity. These traits create an environment where meaningful connections can flourish, making them magnetic and memorable. By mastering these skills, anyone can enhance their relationships and create lasting impressions.